Dear students, today we will discuss some plant adaptations. First of all, we will discuss xerophytes. Xerophytes, as name indicates, these are dry habitat plants. प्यारे बच्चों, these are dry habitat plants. नोट करें सभी बच्चे, जितने भी बच्चों हमने नोट्स बनाए हैं उन सब की पीडीएफ फाइल हमने वीडियो लेक्चर उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में अपलोड कर दी है. सभी बच्चों पीडीएफ फाइल नोट्स अपने डाउनलोड कर लें, अच्छी तरह स्टडी करें. क्या कुछ डिस्कस करें हैं टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम मोर प्लांट एडेप्टेशंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कवर xerophytes. क्या काम है? Xeric plants, the plants which are adapted to dry conditions. These xerophytes are classified into 4 categories. प्यारे बच्चों, हमने कहा xerophytes को 4 ग्रुप्स में हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं. कौन कौन से टाइप? सबसे पहले हम लेंगे बच्चों टाइप नंबर फर्स्ट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप फॉर ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. Ephemerals, drought escapers. Drought escapers. It means these plants are short-lived plants which complete their lifespan during the rainy period. Example: Euphorbia, Tribulus boravia. Second type, annuals, drought evaders. एक पॉइंट नोट करें बच्चों, हमने कहा एफिमेरस, drought escapers on a short period of rainy season. In that period, such plants complete their lifespan. These annuals, drought evaders, such plants live for a few weeks even after the stoppage of rains. रेनी सीजन ओवर हो गया, उसके बाद कुछ वीक्स तक such plants will survive. Example: Solanum echinops. These are drought evaders. Very important point number third is succulents, drought resistant plant. हमने कहा ड्राई कंडीशंस, जेरिक कंडीशंस उनको टॉलरेट करेगा. रेजिस्टेंट प्लांट्स. These plants here, succulent means these are fleshy orders. Either their roots become fleshy or their stem becomes fleshy, or बच्चों their leaves. So these are of 3 types on the basis of fleshy organs. प्यारे बच्चों, stem becomes fleshy. क्या करें? These are Chylocaules. very important competition के terms नोट करेंगे. Chylocaules means fleshy stem. Example: Opuntia, Euphorbia. The plants in which leaves become fleshy, Chylophyllae. Phyllae, the term phyllae for leaves. The word cauly, it is used for fleshy stem. And rhizae, Chylorhizae for roots के लिए. क्या काम है बच्चों? Succulent plants, drought resistant plants in which some organs, either stem, leaves or roots, become fleshy. We store water and mucilage. If stem becomes fleshy, then it is Chylocaules. Leaves become fleshy, then Chylophyllae. If roots become fleshy, then Chylorhizae. In these succulent plants, the outer parts, particularly stem, the aerial parts, stem, leaves, possesses thick cuticle, sunken stomata, and बच्चों they perform special type of photosynthesis which is different than C3 and C4 plants. And this photosynthesis is crassulacean acid metabolism. CAM. That's why these plants are named CAM plants. Crassulacean acid metabolism. क्या काम है? In these plants, stomata open during night time, and stomata remain closed during daytime. Point number 4, non-succulent perennial xerophytes. These are drought endurers. These are true xerophytes which tolerate arid conditions को, ड्राई कंडीशंस को इजीली टॉलरेट करेंगे बच्चों. क्या देख रहे हैं? These have shoot system, small shoot system, but root system very extensively developed. In some plants, the roots grow in deep parts of soil. In tamarix, in Prosopis, about 50 meters, the roots penetrate in deep parts of soil. They reach up to water table. Such plants are very important competition बच्चों. Such plants are phytophytes. क्या काम में? In case of Prosopis, in case of tamarix, the roots water table तक बच्चों पहुंच गई. Such plants are phytophytes. Soil water table से बच्चों water को absorb करेंगे. In these non-succulent perennial plants, xerophytes, some special type of chemicals are present, like anthocyanin, resins, gums, latex, proline, that is a special type of amino acid proline, which maintain, these proline amino acids maintain water and osmotic potential. And special type of proteins, these are chaperones, very important NEET वाले बच्चे, competition वाले बच्चे, these chaperones, these special type of proteins are heat shock absorbing proteins. Some non-succulent plants which are well adapted in arid dry conditions, which perform C4 photosynthesis, C4 cycle. These C4 plants like sorghum, maize, sugarcane, and in these plants having special type of anatomy, that anatomy is Cranch anatomy. In Cranch anatomy, dear students, two types of chloroplast. One type in mesophyll cells and second type in bundle sheath cells. Dimorphic chloroplast. Special type of anatomy, that is Cranch anatomy. वहाँ हमने कहा बच्चों special type of photosynthesis, that is different type than C3, C4 plant. That's why these are CAM plants. Stomata open during night time in these succulent plants. यहाँ बता रहे बच्चों नॉन सैकुलेंट प्लांट्स में हम बता रहे बच्चों क्या कुछ C4 जो प्लांट्स की बात कर रहे हैं वहां देख रहे बच्चों स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ एनाटॉमी, टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट in mesophyll cells, different type than the bundle sheath cells, current genetic. Next type is halophytes. Halophytes, these are salt-loving plants. These plants are well adapted in saline conditions. Halophytes. These plants have the ability to tolerate high concentration of salts. They may have succulents. दोनों टाइप की बेटा एडेप्टेशन दिखाई देगी. सैकुलेंट्स भी यहां दिखाई देगी, either stem or leaves or both organs become fleshy. They also show some characteristics of xerophytes like presence of thick cuticle, sunken stomata, stomata on lower, hypostomatic, lower epidermis में. और देखिए बच्चों presence of special type chemicals like anthocyanins, resins, prolines, chaperones to maintain water and osmotic potential. Another some important points in case of halophytes, very important characteristic which ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों in mangrove plants. In these mangrove plants, marshy conditions में देख रहे हैं बच्चों, जहाँ anaerobic conditions, the roots become negatively geotrophic. Instead of positively geotrophic, the roots they come out the soil. Ground से बाहर आ गई बच्चों roots. These such roots are pneumatophores. Such roots are aerophores as they possesses, ये देखिए बच्चों स्पेशल टाइप के pores are there for gaseous exchange. कंपटीशन वाले बच्चे नोट करेंगे. Such negatively geotrophic roots are pneumatophores, aerophores. They possesses small pores for gaseous exchange. These are lenticels or these are nematophores. Nematophores का हमने spellings भी नोट करेंगे बच्चों. As well as in these halophytes, some special type of glands are there. These are chalk glands. These are salt secreting glands which remove excess of salts. And another very important property of these halophytes, that is vivipary. ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों डायग्राम से very clear. The seeds which are attached to aerial parts, and in these plants, the seeds start to germinate. Even the seed is attached to the plant body. The process is vivipary. ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों radical देख रहे हैं. The radical comes out because in saline conditions, in marshy conditions, the seeds fail to germinate. Nature में क्या करती है बच्चों? The seeds germinate on aerial parts. That property is vivipary. तो बच्चों काफी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटे हम टॉपिक्स कवर कर रहे हैं. प्लांट अडेप्टेशंस. कल के लेक्चर में इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कवर करेंगे एनिमल अडेप्टेशंस.